Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Sanakhuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you the famous Japanese starter recipe chicken tempura. And I'm also going to make the perfect dipping sauce for this crispy and yummy delicacy. And I'm sure this will turn out to be a very favorite snack for your children as it has a very subtle taste and flavor and of course quite crunchy and not too spicy. Come, let's get on to the recipe. Friends, if you enjoy my video and my recipe, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new videos. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your loved ones. Come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the chicken tempura, take 500 grams of boneless chicken, cut them into finger-sized strips like this. See that all the strips are of the same size. We're going to marinate these strips with some ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce to it, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Chinese seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, the required amount of salt. Mix well, mix thoroughly so that all the ingredients gets coated with the chicken. Cover it and marinate it for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Until it gets marinated, we can start preparing the dipping sauce for this. For making the dipping sauce, take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of gingelly oil. Let the oil get heated. Once the oil gets heated, add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Reduce the flame and cook for about 30 seconds. Now add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes and saute till the garlic turns light brown in color. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1/3 plus 1/3 cups of tomato sauce, which is about 120 ml. 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. Mix well and cook over a slow flame. Now add half a cup of water and bring it to sauce consistency. You can add more water if it gets thickened. Now you can see our dipping sauce is ready. Now we can start making the batter. For this, take 1 cup of Maida in a bowl. Add 1 cup of corn flour and half a teaspoon of pepper powder, the required amount of salt, and mix well. To this, add 2 eggs and add some ice cold water. Mix it with a whisk. Add the ice cold water gradually and mix well. We use ice cold water so that the lumps will not be formed while mixing. To avoid the formation of lumps, we are adding ice cold water and mixing it with a whisk. Now you can see the batter is ready. It is smooth with no lumps at all. You should see the consistency. This is the consistency, not so thick and not very thin also. Now take another small bowl and reserve about 5 tablespoons of the batter and keep them aside. Now the chicken has been marinated for 2 hours. Now coat the chicken with the corn flour and maida mixture and dip it into the batter, the prepared batter, and place on a plate. For the dry coating, you need to mix together 3 tablespoons of maida and 3 tablespoons of corn flour and half teaspoon of salt. Mix them together to prepare this dry coating. Do the same with all the strips, and you can see the chicken strips are ready to be fried. Now we can start frying. Take a kadai and add sunflower oil for deep frying. Once the oil gets well heated, drop the chicken pieces and fry them over a medium flame. Now sprinkle the reserved batter over the chicken strips. The batter which we had reserved, the 5 tablespoons of batter which we had reserved, we have to sprinkle using a hand. We do this to get that authentic tempura texture. So with the help of the tip of your fingers, do this and flip them to the other side and sprinkle the batter to the other side of the chicken strips also. Do this on a medium flame, and you have to fry them until you get the golden brown in color. Definitely this will be a very crispy fry. You can remove the excess batter from that so that the oil remains clean. Now you can see the chicken strips are fried to golden brown in color and they look very crispy. You can drain them using an absorbent paper. Now a crispy chicken tempura with a dipping sauce is ready to be served.